Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're taking a close look at the TS517 folding knife. It features a high-performance 14C28N stainless steel blade, vacuum liquid heat-treated, to an impressive hardness rating of 59 to 61 HRC. The blade features a rugged stonewashed finish, engineered for maximum durability and wear resistance. The handle is precision machined from solid titanium alloy and incorporates a robust, seamless frame lock mechanism. The surface is fully textured with precision threading, providing an ergonomic, ultra-secure anti-slip grip. Now, let's do a complete teardown of the handle. Alright, let's inspect the individual components. Here is the premium pocket clip. Perfect. Notice the interior weight reduction pockets. They are masterfully milled to optimize overall balance and weight. The pocket clip itself is crafted from solid titanium alloy. The backspacer is also full titanium alloy, as are the custom-engineered hardware gaskets. This features the signature TWOSUN pivot washer configuration, paired with TWOSUN's premium ceramic ball bearings. Here is the stainless steel lock bar insert washer. This track groove allows the ceramic bearings to glide effortlessly, ensuring an exceptionally smooth opening and closing action. Rock solid and ultra stable. Excellent. Now, let's reassemble the knife. Note the precision alignment slot right here. First, drop the washer into place. Make sure the track groove faces the ceramic side. Let's fine-tune the pivot tension. Flawless centering. Outstanding. The action is incredibly smooth. Now, let's run a quick paper test to demonstrate this razor-sharp factory edge. Slices effortlessly. Right now, this exact model is live on our website's promotional auction, with bidding starting at just 99 cents. If you want to add this to your collection, head over to our official store at www.twosun-yanjiang.com. Thank you for watching.